Alright, hello, I'm David from Grassroots Motorsports. We are here to do an unboxing video. Every holiday season our message boarders organize a little secret Santa, and this year I got to participate, and I got my box, so we're going to see what's in it. So the standard is pretty much a U.S. mail priority mailbox, and this came from one of our readers, one of our message boarders. There's no from, but we know who it is from because we got an email, but we'll let the secret live. All right, so first we got to open it. So to open any package, you know the official opener is your keys. And also never cut towards your neck. All right, let's see, what do we have? Oh, I see one thing. I see the Camel Man. Ooh, this is Racing Magazine. $3, 1983, Lime Rock Park. It's looks like a magazine from them. Honestly, you know what? I have read more than a few car magazines, and this looks a little new. All right, this will be fun. This is 1983 slope-nosed Porsches. My recipient must know I have a soft spot for 911s. Motor Trend. Here, I'm going to cheat. I'll put my glasses on because I'm old. All right, Motor Trend, September 1972. Pontiac Grand Am on the cover, another favorite car. This is cool. And on the back, check this out. Old Honda bikes, but there's something very cool about those. This one's got some stuff on MGB, bumpers. New for 73, finally some good news. As we all know, 1973, a high water mark for automobiles. Ooh, more cool stuff. Porsche napkins. This is rad. Yeah, like I said, I like Porsches. It's got a sandwich bag, which I can use for my lunch, because we always try to reuse. And it's got a, Porsche Club of America. This is it's backwards. It goes on your window. It's a 60-year anniversary sticker. The cool thing is I have one of these, but now I have another one, and I will use that somewhere very useful. If you're not a member of PCA and you have a Porsche, if you have a Porsche, you should be in PCA. They're awesome people and doing an awesome job. The hits keep coming. Let's see. Oh, we'll call this an envelope, and hopefully you can see this, of my favorite country. Patches. The fire department. Boy, I wonder who this could be from. Someone who maybe works in fire safety. We love our firefighters. A little thing from a Japanese something or other. I can add that to my collection of stuff from Japan at home that I don't know what to do with. More fire department patches. More town of Hamden, state of Connecticut. Connecticut, a very fine state. I grew up right across the water on Long Island. So a little bit of home. A mechanic scale. Actually, this is useful. When I was in high school, I took a bunch of engineering classes, and this was beat into your head that it's a scale, it's not a ruler. Let's see, more Japanese stuff. A Bell helmet sticker. We like our Bell helmets. Business card. Hey, this is funny. All right, this is a Rock Auto magnet. But this car, is this the car? May not be. Shoot, I forget his name. Shoot, who used to run a Kermit Upton used to run a BMW Emerald Challenge like this one. I don't think this is his, but I saw it at Monterey, not this past Monterey, the year before. The kicker, it's wearing a GRM sticker. Pelican part sticker. More Rock Auto magnets. Anyway, for any of those of you who have a business, and little marketing tip, make magnets like Rock Auto does. Everyone has them. In fact, usually there's some on our fridge over there. I don't see any now, but everyone seems to have these. More stickers. Brembo. Billy Goat. Must be from Florida. Pelican parts. Hey, boy, it's a dark blue E46 M3. I have a car just like that. Bean Outsider. I don't know, must be some hip thing. I'm not that hip. And another Rock Auto. More cool stuff. Oh my gosh. All right. More old license plates. I know Ed, who's behind the camera, he just mouthed, oh wow, he's totally jelly. I actually have a pretty cool collection of license plates at home. More from great state of Connecticut. Ooh, Tri-State Autocross Champs. All right, that's going on something. That means that's cool. I'm going to put that on the front of one of our cars because we don't have to run license plates down here. Repair, Connecticut. That is cool. That is going... This is all stuff going on display in my garage, which is kind of a mess, but we're cleaning it up. Ooh, Special Deputy Sheriff. I may put that on the wagon. That's pretty rad. That, I'm assuming that's not new. That's pretty vintage. All right, we're not even done yet. Check this out. A roll of, actually making a huge mess. That fire, like that, temperature-resistant tape. And wrap some headers with that. We're not done yet. We're still going. All right, we got a baggie. This is a Prestone. It's like a Prestone coolant kit, and you got to add Prestone antifreeze. I'm going to use that on the 911. More stuff. We're not even done yet. All right, this is a... Let's check that. Can you see that, Ed? It's like an adapter to a bunch of sockets. And there's metric. Here, look, is metric. And then there's ones with fractions. I don't know what the ones with the fractions are for, but the metric ones, I recognize those numbers. That is cool. You could, like, put this in your pocket. And now you have sockets with you if you're going to, like, I don't know, like, do something. That's cool. Oh, all right. All right, hold on. This isn't a baggie. Let me see what these are. I don't know. All right.
Tire levers?
Actually, these for sharpening stones. All right, here's a little bit of trivia. My cousin actually has a knife sharpening business, so I will ask her. And if you need your knife sharpened, let me know. I'll totally hook you up with her. She's awesome. All right, another one of those things, so I can be doubly protected, or if I have to do 2 10s at the same time. This is the coolest thing. Thank you. All right, a piston. This is probably from like a Hemi Dodge or something. This actually looks like something out of one of my Hondas. That is cool. Ooh, a knife. Explorer knife. For when, I don't know, if you got to cut something. That's pretty cool. Use that to sharp, if the end of a radiator hose gets messed up, this is how you fix it. All right, we're not done yet. We're getting closer, but we're not done. All right. Ooh, oh my gosh. All right, thank you, Secret Santa. I had these when I was a kid. These are, I think they were SST, and here's the ripcord. And this is totally, we didn't plan this. God, all right, put the younger people in here are looking at me.
Yeah, I had one.
Yeah, he had one. I had a bunch of these. All right, and you pull the cord, and it takes off, and I don't want to break it. That is cool as hell. I had one that was a, I had several. I had one that was a Mustang 2. This is back when Mustang 2s were new. It was part of some stunt set. And that had crash-up derby cars. I had like a 57 Chevy and a VW Beetle. When they crashed, the body panels crashed off. This I've never seen. This is like a Buck Rogers. Here, can you get a... That is really cool. That's very cool. It's got jet power like the Batmobile. All right, we're getting close. I'm going to save this. This is... Ooh, it's got something in it. Drill bits. If I had these this weekend, we actually were putting a floor in our attic. And I'm not great with woodwork, but a few drill bits would have helped. So this is... When we finish the floor, if we need to drill any holes for wires, they're a little small, but I like that. All right, some flags. Oh, pet safe. I will attach these to our dogs, and they will be safe. Maybe we'll make like a little doggy autocross track, and my dogs will look at it and then go, nah, we're gonna go eat bugs out of the yard. All right, and this is a locking. Oh, this is cool. This is a here, a cable lock. It actually says do not use unloaded firearms, but I'm actually thinking I can lock my bike to something. Like this is like a little bike. I have like a heavy duty U-lock, but this I could use like, you know, I don't want to bike with that on my BMX, but if I'm going to like somewhere like grab lunch, so very cool. Thank you. All right, we saw this box. Here, has a pig on it. Oh, it's from Saturn. But it says go-kart on it. Might be a go-kart. Yeah, a real little go-kart. Oh. engine parts and brake parts and... Oh, all right, this is... Oh, it's a whole... It's a brake? Huh. All right, these are like spare parts. Check this out. It says go-kart, but I'm thinking this is a rear caliper from an early, like an early Honda Civic. I'm just kidding. All right, cool. And, oh, one last thing. If it don't go, chrome it. We got some chrome tape. And we'll put that on something. We can, we'll jazz up something. So cool. That is the haul. That's our unboxing. Again, David from Grassroots Motorsports. Thank you. Thank you, Ed behind the iPhone. Tom is making sure we don't screw up. And thank you, everyone. Hope everyone had a very happy holiday. And thank you to my Secret Santa. This is awesome.